Dear students, good evening and a warm welcome to CSAT Made Easy 2025 series where we discuss the most exam specific questions and concepts from the angle of the CSAT paper of 25 year. I am Sachin Gopanar and our today's topic of discussion would be number system. Let's go with the first problem where we will understand a basic concept and based on which we will build concept upon concept and gradually rise up to exam level questions. This is the first question. Consider the following sum. Dot plus dot 1 is equal to dot 2. In the above sum, dot stands for. So, how shall we understand this one? This question, it is based on the concept that dot, it represents a digit. It can be anything from 1 to 9. It cannot be 0 because it has been given in tens place. So, if it had been 0, they would not give it so. And one number, it also happens to be only dot. So, if it was 0, it would have no meaning at all. So, it can take any value from 1 to 9 and we need to find what is the value of the dot here. So, before solving it, we shall take the value of, we shall denote it using x or to take it in our equations. We will say that the dot, we will denote it using the algebraic expression x. Okay. So, this equation dot plus dot 1 is equal to dot 2, it will become x plus x1 is equal to x2. Here in x1 it is not a multiplication between x and 1 and in x2 it is not a multiplication with x and 2. X it is merely in the, x is a digit which is in the tens place. So, what is the value of x? It would be x itself, no change there. What would be the value of x1? That would be 10x plus 1. What would be the value of x2? That would be 10x plus 2. So, now we shall substitute these values in this equation. So, what will we get? X plus, what is the value of x1? That would be 10x plus 1 is equal to what is the value of x2? That would be 10x plus 2. Now, we shall take all the x's one side and the constants on another side. X plus 10x minus 10x is equal to 2 minus 1. So, plus 10x and minus 10x, they get cancelled. So, you remain with only x and 2 minus 1, that is 1. So, the value of the x is 1 and x is just denoting dot. So, what is the value of dot? It happens to be 1. So, using this basic level question, we understood the basic concept. Now, we shall rise up to one advanced level question. This is the question. Consider the following sum. 1 dot plus dot 5 minus 2 dot plus dot 9 is equal to 8 dot. So, in the above sum, dot stands for what? Just like previous problem, we will express dot using a English letter x, so that we can use algebraic concepts here. So, the equation 1 dot, it will become 1x plus x5 minus 2x plus x9 is equal to 8x. When we say 2x, x9, 8x, it does not mean multiplication between 2 and x or 9 or x or 8. It merely signifies the where x is in the number, either it is in the units place or in the tens place. So, what is the value of 1x here? The value of 1x would be 10 plus x. What is the value of x5? That would be 10x plus 5. Why? Because that is how our decimal system works. And what is the value of 2x? That would be 20 plus x. What is the value of x9? That would be 10x plus 9. And what is the value of 8x? That would be 80 plus x. Now, we shall substitute these values in the original equation. So, what do we get? 1x is 10 plus x plus x5 is 10x plus 5 minus 2x, that would be minus 20 minus x plus x9, that would be 10x plus 9 is equal to 8x, that would be 80 plus x. Now, we got a big equation in the with the variable x. We shall take all the variables one side and the constants other side. So, we will have x plus 10x minus x plus 10x, and the x on the RHS that will come here minus x is equal to 80 minus 10 minus 5 plus 20 minus 9. So what do we get? X and minus x, they get cancelled. So 10x plus 10x minus x, that would be 20 minus 1, that would be 19x is equal to 80. 80 plus 20, that would be 100. 100 minus 10 plus 5 plus 9, that would be 24. So minus 24. How much would that be? That would be 76, right? So 19x is equal to 76. So what will the value of x be? X would be 76 divided by 19, and we know that 19 fours are 76. The value of x is 4. So when they ask us what does dot stand for, we know we have used the letter x to denote dot. So dot also stands for 4, which is option B. Okay. Based on this, we shall look at your homework question. This is your homework question. It was asked in the 2018 paper. Consider the following sum: dot plus 1 dot plus 2 dot plus dot 3 plus dot 1 is equal to 2 1 dot. In the above example, in the above sum, dot stands for. Same concept, just denote x dot using x and solve for it, you will get the answer. In the RHS side, you have 2 1 dot. It is a 3-digit number. Make note of it. So its value would be 200 plus 10 plus x. So just make note of it and answer and solve this one, and leave your answers in the comment section. We shall discuss the answer to this question in the next classes video. Okay. Now it is time to answer the homework question of your previous class. This was the previous class's homework question. It was also a question based on number system. Let's take a read at it. A number consists of 3 digits of which the middle one is 0 and their sum is 4. So there is a number, 3-digit number. Its middle digit is 0 and the sum of the first digit and the last digit, it happens to be 4. If the number formed by interchanging the first and last digits is greater than the number itself by 198, then the difference between the first and the last digits is. Okay. Now let's denote the number using this notation: A0B. A0B is a 3-digit number where A is a digit and B is another digit, and the middle digit, it is, they have told us that it is 0. So we'll take it as A0B. And what will its value be as per our decimal system? That would be 100A plus B, right? Because in the tens place there is 0, it doesn't have any value. So its value would be 100 plus B. If you interchange the digits in the first in the units place and the 100 place, that is, if you interchange the first digit and the last digit, the number that you obtain, it would be B0A, and its value would be 100B plus A. Yes, and they have told us that the newly got number, the number formed by interchanging the first digit and the last digit, is greater than the number itself by 198. So they are telling us that AOB plus 198, that would be BOA, because the newly formed number, it is 198 more than the original number. So BOA is 198 more than AOB. We will substitute these two values in this equation. So A0B, its value would be 100A plus B plus 198. B0A, that would be 100B plus A. Now what shall we do? We shall take all the A's and B's one side, and we shall leave constant to one side. So 198 is equal to 100B minus B plus A minus 100A. Okay. So 198 is equal to 100B minus B, that would be 99B, and A minus 100A, that would be minus 99A. So 198, if you take 99 common here, you will have B minus A. So 198 divided by 99 is equal to B minus A, and we can see that 198 is twice of 99. So 99 twos are 198. So 2 is equal to B minus A. In other words, B minus A, it is 2. So the difference between the first digit and the last digit, the difference between the first and the last digits is 2. Option B is your answer. I hope that you liked today's class. If you like our videos, if you like our classes regularly, do watch us regularly. We upload one episode every alternating day. All the best, and most of all, happy studying.